Hi everyone, I'm Rob from Australia, if you can't tell, the CEO of MAXM Skate. So I'm here today to show MAXM who has real traction and real results. We've launched across 29 countries with 35 distributors and we're actively selling and sort of proud to be here with a Series A raise released where we're seeking $5 million investment to reach our 2030 goals of 26 mil. And also creating in FY27 what we see as a good inflection point. So what makes MAXM special? So we're the only fully integrated at-home smart rehab solution for knee recovery. So our patented skate includes a Bluetooth sensor that tracks range of motion and enables to give live biofeedback to patients and their clinicians to be able to support patients immediately after surgery and also continue at home. So it's smart, it's scalable, and designed for today's remote care needs. Our clinical trials speak volumes. So patients experience improved range of motion compared to standard care, more than 13 degrees, which is significant. Patients have double the mental health improvements after surgery. 91% of patients are able to self-manage their rehab. 95% of patients would recommend MAXM to other people. And ultimately, we're saving hospitals up to $26,000 per procedure. So it's better for patients, better for providers, and better for the system. And here's the kicker. We're not just hardware, we're also collecting data. So think of the skate as a big data collector. And this gives us the ability with our in-house PhD student to start to utilise this data, which doesn't exist at the moment. So the post-op area is a bit of a black hole with data on how patients progress and how many exercises to give them and how to get the best outcomes. So we're working on AI algorithms to be able to get the most out of this data, and this is what our strategics are really interested in, and to be able to get the post-op, the pre-op experience, the intra-op experience, and the post-op experience all matched up with data. So this isn't just a prototype. It was launched by Dr. Matthew Liptak in 2012 and had a significant amount of research and clinical studies, and just over the last 3 years has focused on commercialisation. So we've got a team together, our reg listings across US, Europe, India, Australia and more, and sales are happening and the traction is real. We're operating in a huge market, so if we just look at total knee replacements and ACL repairs, there's 5.5 million, and when we look at our 2026 targets, 2030 targets with 26 mil, we're looking at 5.2 SOM as well. So our go-to-market strategy is across, first of all, our distribution teams, and then looking at, we've got some great collaborations with Tier 2 industry partners, and then finally our strategics. And that's what's setting us up for a steady state growth rate to 2030 and with an inflection point at 27. So please get in contact. I'll flick to the last slide for our raise, where we're really seeking funding to execute our sales strategy, manufacture and enhance our software development. Thank you very much.